Good morning, everyone. My name is Nasreen, and today we will continue our lesson about the graphic representation of a moving in straight lines. First, we will talk about the acceleration. What is the meaning of acceleration? It's the changing in the object's speed in 1 second. It's the changing in the object's speed in 1 second. Okay, if you want now to know the law of acceleration to calculate the value of acceleration, we can determine the law from the define. The acceleration, it is a changing in the object's speed. So we talk about speed and time. Exactly. So the law of acceleration must contain the speed and time. So A equal delta V divided delta T. A small related to acceleration. نختصر كلمة acceleration ب A small equal delta V divided delta T. Delta mean change in the speed and the change in the time. So we said delta V divided delta T. Delta mean change. بمعنى إن السرعة عندي هتتغير. So A equal V2 minus V1 يعني الجسم كان ماشي بسرعة واتغيرت بقت سرعة تانية divided the time Okay. The uniform acceleration. What is the meaning of uniform acceleration? It's the acceleration by which an object moves in a straight line when its speed changes by equal values through equal periods of time. امتى نقدر نقول ان الاكسلريشن بتاعتي is uniform؟ لما الأوبجكت بتاعي number 1 travel in a straight line, number 2 its speed changes by equal values, number 3 لما يكون time equal periods of time. When the object moves in a straight line and its speed changes by equal values and the time by equal values, we can say it's a uniform acceleration. We have a very important note. The acceleration increases when the speed increases by time and decreases when speed decreases by time. Acceleration increases when the speed increases. That means that the relationship between the acceleration and the speed is, yes, exactly, is direct relationship between the acceleration and the speed, because when the acceleration increases, the speed increases, and when the speed decreases, the acceleration decreases. So the relationship between acceleration and speed is direct relationship. Now we will know the types of uniform acceleration. The uniform acceleration has two types of acceleration. The first type called positive acceleration. When we can say that the kind of acceleration is positive. It's an acceleration by which an object moves in a straight line and its speed increases by equal values through equal periods of time. So, if the object moves in a straight line and its speed increases, السرعة بتاعته زادت، كان ماشي بسرعة قليلة والسرعة زادت. The type of acceleration in this state, نوع الاكسلريشن في الحالة دي is positive acceleration. When the speed increases by equal values through equal periods of time. In this state, V1 is smaller than V2 because we said that the speed will increase. Speed will increase. So the first speed, started speed V1 is smaller than the final speed V2 because the speed increases. السرعة زادت. عشان كده السرعة الأولانية اللي هي V1 هتكون أصغر من السرعة الثانية اللي هي V2. If we want to make the relationship between the acceleration or between the speed and the time, we will use this figure. Positive acceleration, we can represent it by this figure. Now we will talk about the second type of uniform acceleration, which is negative acceleration. Negative acceleration has the same definition of positive acceleration except the word increase and decrease. Let's see. Negative acceleration, it's an acceleration by which an object moves in a straight line when its speed decreases. And we said in positive acceleration when its speed increase. في البوزيتيف السبيد increase, but in negative acceleration the speed decreases by equal values through equal periods of time. Who can tell me in this type of acceleration V1 is smaller than V2 or V2 is smaller than V1? Excellent, thank you. The speed decreases. The speed decreases. السرعة هتقل. معنى كده إن الأوبجكت كان ماشي بسرعة عالية والسرعة دي قلت. So V1 is greater than V2. السرعة الأولانية أكبر من السرعة الثانية لأن السبيد قلت. And we will use this figure to represent the negative acceleration. In this state, when the object moves at a uniform speed or regular speed, بمعنى إن V1 equal V2, the object moves with uniform speed. V1 equal V2. في الحالة دي الأكسلريشن will equal excellent 0. ليه الأكسلريشن equal 0? Because we said that the acceleration is small equal V2 minus V1 divided the time. If V2 is equal V1, like 5 minus 5 equal 0. Yes, so 0 divided any time equal 0. So if V1 equal V2, the acceleration will be equal 0. And we will use this figure to represent the type of acceleration. Finally, I hope all of you understand this lesson. And thank you for your listening.